Did you want me to?
Oh yeah, actually, yeah. Roger, do you want to just very quickly take us through the world of Slack? So if anyone is kind of on the presentations, wanting to know, we keep talking about Slack, what is it kind of thing. It's kind of a cool place to hang out, ask questions and things like that. So Roger's going to quickly show you a little bit around there and what there is.
Yeah, so once you've joined, you'll see there's various channels. So there's an analytics specific channel, and it's got lots of interest, some fun stuff, some actual, and it's also where people are actually posting questions. So are you seeing my screen, by the way, just to make sure?
Yes, yeah, we can see it.
Sorry, I've got two screens going. But yeah, so you'll see there's a lot of very knowledgeable people making contributions. There's a picture of old Charlie, miss him. But there's all sorts of emerging technologies. You'll find all the stuff from Graph yesterday. You'll find a lot of the presentations have already been posted in there if you wanted to look at those. Here's our machine learning one. There's lots of really interesting content in there, but also it's just a place to say hello and ping someone with a question. You know, when you're getting advice from people like Abby and Mark and crew, they all operate in this channel. It's actually really worth its weight in gold. So I think that's probably enough said about that. If you want to take this,
yeah, no worries. So
you know what, I could also just very quickly share about sponsorship if you liked.
Yeah, go for it. Do you want to share your screen, or do you want me just to go to the deck?
Yeah, and I'll just share. I think I've. Do you know what? I'm going to share desktop one, and then I'll just drag it. Yes, here we are. So yeah, if you just if you go to our website, you'll see. So it's analyticsanddataSummit.org, and it's just /sponsorships. There's a form here. That form comes directly through to me and to Carrie. If you are interested, these are people who have got sponsorships at the moment. But these TechCast days, when we do the TechCast day sessions, are available for sponsorship as well. There's general sponsorships, platinum, gold, and if you I won't read through it all now, but you'll see all the various components that are included with each of the levels of sponsorship. And then we sponsor, we have available for sponsorship the TechCast single sessions, which are the ones that we do every few weeks. Merchandise, we can put your brand on some of our logo, with some of your logos on our merch. And then, of course, the TechCast Days special sponsor. So when it comes to the TechCast Days in February, if you wanted to get your name out and about and get some awareness about your company, it's quite good. We do a little interview with you and if you like, a commercial break with you. So just go and have a look at this. It's just analyticsanddataSummit.org /sponsorships. And then take it back there. No, sorry, I've said enough, haven't I?
No, it's good. It's good. Thank you. So I'm just going to go back to the presentation deck. So we are essentially at the point of a bit of a coffee break at this point. So depending where you are in terms of, you know, US, UK, Europe, etc., you might be on the whole, I need to quickly go and get a cup of coffee because it's really early. Fair enough. You could be on the same time zone as myself, so it's the UK here. So it might be a quick nip out and grab a can of pop for the afternoon to get us through into the evening. So we're going to take a little 5-minute breather. We're just going to put up a bit of a quiz question while you go out and grab your coffee. So today's little break time quiz question is, when was artificial intelligence founded as an academic discipline? So Carrie's going to put it up as a poll as well. So test your knowledge. Don't Google it. Turn off the phones. Don't Google. No cheating. Okay. I know you're all going to quickly go onto your phones and look it up. Don't cheat. Okay. When was artificial intelligence founded? We'll give you the answer in about 2-3 minutes. Go grab your coffee and we'll go through that.
So Abby, I would have thought, once it gets past lunchtime, don't you go for the glass of wine?
I'm holding off, Roger. I'm thinking like we've got a few more presentations to do, including ourselves. Like maybe hold off the wine for a little bit longer.
Yes, you have to be fairly sensible until we do our presentation.
Yeah, and then to be honest, after I finish presenting, I'm actually out coaching tonight. So I do. Some of you may know this. It's a random fact about Abby. Essentially, I am a football coach here in the UK, so often out on a Thursday evening coaching. So yeah, after this, straight out the door to coaching. Okay, so let's see how well people did. 26% of people said that AI was founded in 1958, 37% said 1956, 30% went for 1960, and 7% said 1959. Roger, my friend, without Googling, when was AI?
So I got it totally wrong, actually. I think it depends on the event. But yeah, I know now that it was because I did cheat. It was 1956, but I had ascribed the event to John McCarthy, but I had thought it was actually in 1958. I didn't realize it was actually at the conference, so I got it totally wrong.
So 1956, artificial intelligence was founded by John McCarthy, organised a Dartmouth conference at which the term AI was first adopted. So yeah, just been around a while, not that newfangled technology at all. So definitely one for you there. So let's get on to our next presenter. So